What's up everyone? Today we're going to do some talk about equalizers. Let's go. Here we have ReIQ, the stock equalizer from Reaper. I have my notes here so I don't forget anything. So what we can do with an equalizer? We can boost certain volume at a specific frequency. Let's say I want to boost at 300 Hz. So this is an additive EQ move. This is boosting the frequency, and we mostly do it with wider cues, wider bandwidth. Subtractive EQ is a move we mostly do when attenuating or reducing a frequency. We have a narrower cue. So when we cut, we don't cut like this. Mostly we don't cut like this because we want to keep most of the frequencies. We want to get rid only of the problematic frequencies, the resonance points, like this. Another EQ move that we use a lot is the low pass filter. We use the low pass filter to get rid of noise on the high frequencies, bass that doesn't need too much high end. We tend to cut with a low pass. Another EQ move is the high pass. Another move that we're going to use a lot on my videos. We high pass our guitars to leave room for the bass and for the kick drum and toms to work. To get rid of muddiness on the guitars, we tend to cut the deep low end of our toms. Another EQ I have here. So here I'm going to show you another thing we can do with an equalizer. Is mid-side placement. I can boost a certain frequency range only in the mid-side of my mix. Maybe my drums, my snares. I want to have a little bit more boom on the bass. I can boost it with a mid-side. The side EQ. Same thing, I can boost certain frequencies, the high end of my guitars only on the sides of my mix, so they don't fall on the same place with everything else. And another thing we can do with EQ, very usable for drums and stuff, is dynamic EQ. I can have these frequencies boosted only when a transient hits. That's very useful on drums. Let's say I need more crack on my snare. I'm going to boost the high end of my snare, but I don't want too much cymbals all the time, so this is going to affect the transients only. Very nice stuff. Another EQ I'm using is the grip channel. It's a Neve 1073 clone, I think. So this has some frequencies that we can choose from, and we can't affect the bandwidth or the cues, but all of them are really useful frequencies. We tend to high pass at 50, 80, 100, 60, 300 for some stuff, symbols and stuff. Here I can boost at 35 if I want my sub bass to get boosted, at 60 maybe for my kick drum, 110 for the palm mutes of my guitars, 220 for my snare, and here we have 360, 707 kHz, 1.6, 3.2, 4.8, 7.2. Here we can tilt our equalizer, so if I boost this, my EQ is going to go like this. We can boost the treble frequencies, and we can do this to boost the low end of our mix on our master bass maybe. So that was about equalizers. On the next episodes, I thought I could do this in one episode, but we're going to do this in 3 maybe episodes. On the next episodes, we're going to talk about important frequencies for our instruments like drums, bass, guitars. See you in the next episode.